A very warm welcome to all of you in another episode of Voices and Visions. And today I have my little guest Tanav Gupta with me. He is willing to share his visions with all of us. Hey Tanav, how are you feeling?
I am fine. How are you feeling?
I'm fine and I'm very excited to know a lot about you. Are you excited?
I am excited and confident.
Confident as well. Oh, I'm so glad to know about it. Okay, Tanav, can you please tell me about you, something about you?
I am a passionate and a dedicated individual who is always ready to seek new challenges and opportunities to learn and grow.
New challenges and opportunities. Okay. I know you're a very good, you're a very sporty person. Yeah.
Yes.
You participate in a lot of competitions and you
Yes.
have won a lot of competitions. Could you please tell me a little bit about the competitions you have won?
I have won Assam Books of Record, India Books of Record, and Asia Books of Record.
Assam Books of Record. Record of what?
For Sudoku and Chief Ministers and Capitals.
Sudoku and
Chief Ministers and Capitals of the states.
capitals of the state. So you are aware of all the capitals of the state.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's so nice. So you learn about it. You are interested in general knowledge.
Yes, ma'am.
You read it every day. You keep yourself updated.
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good thing. Very good. Tanav, I'm so impressed to know this thing about you. Okay,
Yeah.
Tanav, tell me something about your family.
I love to spend time with my father. During holidays and Sundays, we both love to spend time with each other by playing indoor and outdoor games and watching movies.
So, okay, you watch movies with your father
Yes, ma'am.
and you also play indoor and outdoor games.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me a little bit more about your family. Who other members are in your family?
In my family, there are 7 members. I, my mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, and uncle.
Oh, so you mean you have a big joint family?
Yes, I have.
You enjoy being in a joint family?
Yes, I enjoy.
Yeah. So you're pampered?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Who supports you the most in your family? Like who favors you the most in the family?
My dad.
Dad only? Okay. Very good. Because you play with him, na? He's your playmate. Yeah? Okay. Okay, Tanav. Do you have any different school name or is it the same? Do you have any nickname?
Sometimes my family and my friends call me Tanu, but I don't have any nickname in school.
Okay. Okay. So you love to be called Tanu or Tanav
Yes.
only? Tanu?
I like both.
Both? Okay. With love, Tanu. Yeah. So what's your school state? Where do you study?
I study in Delhi Public School, Dibrugarh.
Delhi Public School, Dibrugarh. Okay. And what's your age?
I am 10 years old.
You are just 10 years old and you have already made a lot of records.
Yes.
Do you have any future plans like I'm going to make more records?
Yes.
Do you think so? Yeah? Okay, very good. I wish you all the luck.
Thank you.
Okay, Tanav, can you please tell me about what do you do in your free time? What is your favorite hobby?
I am very fond of playing games, including both indoor and outdoor games, as games help me to gain my stamina and improve my thinking skills.
Of course, games always help us to improve our thinking skills,
Yes.
our thought process, and it also makes us active. So, you told me that you have made record in Sudoku.
Yes.
So, how much time did you take to solve one Sudoku puzzle?
In Assam Books of Record, I took 8 minutes 26 seconds. In India Books of Record, I took 7 minutes 53 seconds, and in Asia Books of Record, I took 4 minutes 56 seconds.
You just solved like Sudoku in 4 minutes.
Then 5 minutes.
5 minutes almost, yeah, but making a record on Asian level is something to be appreciated. Okay, so you please be continue with it because you are doing so good. You are creating records and it's good for us. Being in SM, it's good for of us people. You are bringing glory to our state. So please be continue with it. Okay, Tanav, my next question to you is, do you like playing, like you play a lot of games, right? You said you play with your father a lot. So like you play board games or video games?
I like to play board games like chess, snake and ladder, and sequence.
Chess, snakes and ladders, and who wins most of the time?
Then my father.
Okay. So who is more good in chess?
Ma'am, both the same.
So you're learning chess from your father?
Ma'am, my father also a tuition teacher.
Your father is a tuition teacher?
No, I learned chess.
Okay, okay. Fine. So you learn from your father.
And from teacher also.
Teacher also. Okay. Very good. You love chess, playing chess.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know who recently won the chess championship?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the name?
Mukesh.
Okay. Very good. Stay updated. Okay, Tanav, do you have a favorite sports team or sports?
Yes, I do have a favorite sports team, that is our team India. Team India plays with their mind and always do teamwork which makes our country win. And
Of course. So, who is your favorite player?
And my favorite player is MS Dhoni because he plays with his mind.
Of course, he plays with his mind. What do you like the most about MS Dhoni?
He is a inspiration for me.
Inspiration for me, like what do you like the most? Like, is there any specific shot you? Because he's very famous for one shot. You remember?
Helicopter, sir.
Yes. Do you play that shot when you play cricket?
Ma'am,
Try.
it is very hard.
It's very hard, I know. But at least you are you trying?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Because he's your idol, no? He inspires you. Who is your best friend and do you have friends?
Ma'am, many friends.
Many friends. Okay, who's your best friend?
Aryan Dhani.
Aryan Dhanipur. Say Aryan. Tell Aryan that you're my best friend.
My best friend is Aryan Dhanuka.
Okay.
We spend quality time with each other by riding bicycle, visiting many places.
Okay. So you guys stay together?
Ma'am, no. He stays near my house.
Okay. Okay, fine. You guys are mischievous, right? No? He's not naughty?
No, I also do.
You are not naughty?
No.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me this. You are naughty. Yeah? Okay. Okay. So you love being with Aryan.
Yes, I love.
Otherwise, you have a lot of friends, but he's your best one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Tanav, do you believe in sharing is caring?
Yes, I believe in sharing and caring. As it says, the more you share, the more you get.
Of course, it's a very deep quote that you have shared that the more you share, who told you this? The more you share, the more you get.
Always my mother says.
Your mother says it?
Yes.
Okay, you do it to share your things with others?
Yes, ma'am, I said.
Every time or sometimes you feel like mera koi nahi lega. Do you do that?
Ma'am, sometimes.
You're possessive about a few things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the thing you are most possessive about?
Ma'am, my box.
Box of? A pencil box?
Pencil box.
Okay, you're possessive about your pencil box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you share your stationery with others, with your friends?
Ma'am,
Do
yes.
you? Okay, very good. It's a good habit. Because the sharing also says that you care about the person. Okay, that's why we always say sharing is caring. Okay, Tanav, which is your favorite family recipe?
I have a favorite family recipe, that is baking cakes and making chocolates. I and my mother both have a funny moment with each other while making cake and making chocolate.
Okay. So you help your mother while baking cake?
Yes, I love.
And you love to help. So you must be knowing the recipe, cake recipe.
Ma'am, no, my mother tells what to do and I just do it.
You just do it. Okay. And you know how to make chocolates because you told me that we make chocolates together.
Ma'am, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So why you never brought it for me? Okay. I'm looking forward to have like chocolates made by Tanav Gupta. Okay. So next time when you will make a chocolate, you have to bring it for me as well. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is your favorite recipe?
Yes.
And which is your favorite flavor, cake flavor? Like you said, we bake cakes together. Which is your
chocolate flavor?
Chocolate flavor is your favorite one. Okay. Okay, Tanav, what is the most amazing thing you would like to discover in your backyard if it happens someday? Like you're getting up early in the morning and you go to your backyard and you want something amazing.
I would love if I would have a land of chocolates that will include a house made of chocolate, a tree where instead of fruits and vegetables, chocolates will grow, and a river of chocolate syrup.
That would be a kind of chocolate land because
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want chocolate everywhere. Rivers of chocolate, mountains of chocolates, trees of chocolates. Okay, you love chocolate?
Yes, ma'am, I love it.
You love chocolate, okay. So, do you know it is not good, like too much sweetness is not good for our health
Therefore, I do not eat very much, I eat sometimes.
sometimes, but you love chocolates.
Yes.
And you want to have a chocolate land in your backyard.
Yes.
Is it so? Nothing else? Just chocolate land. And you are going to share it with your friends, a lot of chocolates. Yeah? Okay. Okay, Tanav. Tanav, if you could be anything when you grow up, what it would be? What do you want to be when you grow up? Because we all have, some dreams. Some people always inspire us, and we always think like, मुझे तो ऐसा बनना है. So, is there anything you want to be?
I want to be a chess player because I am good at chess, and chess is played by mind, and I like such games.
So, you want to be a chess player, but you saw Sudoku as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and you are good in other games. You told me you are good in cricket as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
But
So-
I like chess more.
You like chess more. Okay, so you want to be a chess champion
Yes.
like Gukesh. Yeah, is it so? So you are learning moves. You are taking classes for it.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Tanav, if you could make a difference in the world, if I give you a chance that Tanav, you have this power to make a difference in the world, what difference would you like to make?
As education is the power to succeed, I want to make a difference that every children should get education. Every children should get because they have a better future.
Okay, so you want to basically provide education,
Yes.
and that's how you want to bring a change in the society.
Yes.
So you feel for the poor people who are not getting
Yes, ma'am. I
education.
feel bad.
You feel bad. So do you have you ever tried to help them?
Ma'am, I give them some money when they ask.
Okay, you do that. Okay, we should not give them money, but okay, sometimes we feel like giving, so we do it generally. But it's a very nice thought that which you are sharing with us, that you want to like bring education in their lives, because of course because a lot of people are uneducated, and because of the lack of education they are not able to do what they really supposed to do. They don't know what's right, what's wrong. They don't have any goals set. So of course education is very important, very important. So that's a very nice thought which you have shared with us, that by education you want to bring a change in the society. And what if you get this opportunity, what will you do? Like, would you construct a school, or what would you do?
I would provide free education to people who cannot afford.
Oh, that's a very nice thought. Very nice thought. I truly appreciate it. That you want to give free education. Very good. Very good. We really need children like you more in our society, who feel for the poor people and who feel that education is important. And that's why you are so much attentive about your education. Okay, very good. Okay, now Tanav, we have a rapid fire round. Okay, I'll be asking a few questions from you. And I'll give you two options. You just have to choose one option. Let me see. Because you keep yourself very updated about the general knowledge, right? GK. So it's all about GK questions. Alright? You don't have to see into my laptop. You just have to choose one right answer. Okay? Ready? Okay. My first question to you is, Tanav. My first question to you is, which is the largest planet in our solar system, Earth or Jupiter?
Jupiter.
Which author wrote the book Charlotte Web? Charlotte's Web. Dr. Seuss or E.B. White?
E.B. White.
Okay. What is a process called when plants make their own food?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Okay, you don't need any options for that. Which musician is known as a king of the rock and roll? Elvis Presley or Michael Jackson?
Elvis Presley.
Very good. What is the capital of France? Berlin or Paris?
Paris.
Which ancient civilization built the Great Pyramid of Giza?
What?
Which ancient civilization built the Great Pyramid of Giza? Egyptians or Greeks?
Egyptians.
Egyptians, yes. What is the largest mammal on earth? Elephant or blue whale?
Blue whale.
Blue whale, yes. Who wrote the book The Wizard of Oz? J.K. Rowling or L. Frank Baum?
Alfred Bob.
Yes, L. Frank Baum. Who is the smallest state? Oh, sorry. What is the smallest state in the United States? California or Rhode Island?
Rhode Island.
Rhode Island. Very good. Which artist painted the famous painting The Starry Night? Leonardo da Vinci or Vincent van Gogh?
Vincent van Gogh.
You know about it?
I do not know.
But you just guessed. Okay. Very good, Tanav. I'm so impressed that you are well aware of the GK as well. And that's why I want to gift you this book. Read more. Okay. This is about APJ Abdul Kalam and his journey and his experiences. So I'm sure it's going to help you a lot. So do you read books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Free time.
In your free time? Okay. Make it your habit. Read every day 20 minutes before sleep. Okay? Make it a habit.
Okay.
And then gradually you can increase the time.
Okay.
Okay? And this cup is also for you. It is written, happiness is having a great family and wonderful friends. Because you have a joint family, you have great friends, so this is for you. Okay? And now, at the end, if you want to give any message to your viewers.
Yes, I want to give a message that the happiness of our life comes from the quality of thoughts that we think. This means that we should think positive, dream high to have a lot of happiness in our life. So, friends, think positive, be happy. Thank you.
Think positive, be happy. That's the mantra of Tanav Gupta. Okay, Tanav, it was really nice having a conversation with you. I really loved it. Keep growing. Okay? Bye-bye.